Hi, I'm Alina. I'm a founder of Mamahood app. Mamahood is a health advisory and a community mobile app that supports physical and mental health of women and parents who are navigating the journey of family building. It's encompassing fertility, pregnancy, and parenting. We are offering preventive, holistic approach to maternal and family well-being. Of course, accessibility, convenience is important, but it's not just that. Our mission is to really empower our users to make timely, informed decisions about their and their family health that will hopefully ultimately decrease the risks of complications during pregnancy and childbirth and improve health outcomes overall. We do it through our key feature, which is a live chat with licensed healthcare professionals. Instantly, no booking and no waiting time. And we're excited to be here at Emerge 2050. Thank you.